help you?
Hey everyone, we're here in North York visiting with Interior Decorator Francine Gilbert. Let's go inside and check it out. So Francine, tell me a bit about your inspiration behind this project.
So I get inspired by the client's personality. In this case, the client is a young, hip, fun businessman who wants a Miami vibe to his home. And I think I really created that here. And I'm looking forward to the next job that might be totally different.
So I really like the colors in this space. What was your thinking behind the ideas of the selections?
So in this particular case, I went with a neutral palette in the warm grays, very current and trendy. And I chose Quartex Calacatta because it ties in with the classic modernism I was trying to create. And it was just perfect for this particular job.
Last but not least, what's next for Francine Gilbert?
So my next projects include turning wasted spaces like dining rooms into relaxation and zen rooms and a place to just go relax after a hard day at work, and I'm super excited about that.
I want to thank Francine Gilbert once again, and stay tuned because who knows, your favorite designer might be up next. We'll be right back.